Guys, and welcome to Yayis Corner. So today is Monday. I've already taken a shower. It's 7:45. I need to get started. So I have a meeting at 8:30 in the morning. It's gonna be one of those weeks. All right, so I wanted to try out some new products that I purchased, and let's see. Now Okay, so the first one is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. So this is supposed to be used, let's see, the facial mist is so delicate, it envelopes skin like morning fog. The formula is a blend of watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus that refreshes, softens, and enhances makeup. Okay. From 8 to 10 inches away, firmly press the nozzle and mist 2 to 3 times across the face. Use throughout the day to refresh skin or apply over makeup to set. Okay. But you know me, I like to start off with some kind of mist. Okay. The packaging is adorable. Let me take this. Look at this. All right. Where is, oh. Okay. It does smell nice. And it's not that watermelon, like overly sweet watermelon. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the, this is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Hydrating and soothing. This oil-free daily moisturizer delivers juicy hydration for a long-lasting, lit-from-within glow formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid, antioxidant-rich watermelon, and a soothing blend of jasmine and peony extract to brighten and prep skin for the day ahead. After serum, smooth a pea-sized amount onto skin morning and night and pat until fully absorbed. Yeah, so the instructions for some of these products are a little, you know, they don't make sense because if I'm going to use this under my makeup, how can I reapply this? So whatever. I purchased the small size. So before then I apply that, I am going to apply my Clarins Double Serum. I love this stuff. So a pump and a half. Feels so good. So let's get to using this. Oh my gosh, the packaging, it's just so, it said 1 pump. So look at the gel consistency. I love this. So I'm just going to, very pretty. Now, I do want it to sink in, so I'm gonna wait a while. In the meantime, what I might do is fill up my eyebrows, curl my eyelashes, and stuff like that. All right, eyebrows are done. Nice and bushy. Okay, so I'm going to be using, so this is a tough one. So I've already used the mist and this moisturizer. Now, I've been intrigued about the La Roche Posay Anthelios Light Fluid Sunscreen. Now this is the tinted mineral, okay? I was watching a review by, oh my gosh, he's a dermatologist, graduated from University of Hawaii, love him. And he said that, he was saying how, so I'm thinking this is when I go to the beach, right? And maybe, you know, I just don't want that white cast. But he was also saying that one of the ingredients in this sunscreen One of the ingredients in this sunscreen also protects against the blue light. And I'm on my computer 8 hours, 10 hours easily on a given day. All right, so, but my idea was if I want to use it, let's say like right now, I have to go take out my dog. It's already probably like 90 degrees. It is sunny. So, you know, I do need some kind of protection. So my idea was to mix this with my La Mer Radiant Tint, which also has SPF 30. Only because I thought this, since it said tint, I thought this was going to be a lot more liquidy. It is very thick for it to be a tint. So, but then again, I did want to see how it looked wearing this alone. So I think I'm going to do that. Let's just use this one alone. Let's see. I tried it out in the drugstore. Amazing. Now, the only thing is this is very tiny. This is only, let's see, 1.7 fluid ounces, and it was $37, $37.99 at Target. So I want to be able to get it like at CVS with my 30% off coupons. Then that would be, it wouldn't hurt so much. So just to show you the consistency, look at that. Okay. So I'm just going to, and I probably will need a lot more than this. Okay, so let's just shear it out. Oh, and he also said, now the test is if I spread it over my lips, I can tell that it's, wow, it's really absorbed into my skin really nicely. I love how it absorbed. Now he did say, don't forget your eyelids. So just a tiny bit. No, hopefully this doesn't make me cry. Because my allergies were set off by some cleaning and organizing I was doing in my closet. Well, in my son's closet. Okay. I really like the way this feels. Now, let me get some concealer. I go in with the Dior Forever Skin Corrector. Just in those little spots. So far, the way it's laying on top of the moisturizer, very nice and smooth. It's still a little bit tacky, but it's going on, absorbed by the skin beautifully. Wow. Okay. Okay, that went on super nice. All right, so now I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer, okay, and a little bit of blush, some lipstick, actually some lip gloss, and we'll see what else I need from there. Okay, so one of my all-time favorite bronzers is the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Bronze Universal, the original. I know it's been done small rancid. It's still, I keep it super airtight. It's still going strong. Look how beautiful. Okay, just Love it, love it, love it. God, this is, why did they have to change it? All right, now I'm just gonna pick up a little bit with this Rare Beauty. Just gonna do some light contouring. Should I do a little bit over my eyes? Okay, love it. And then for blush, we are going to use the RMS Beauty Redimension Hydra Powder Blush in Maiden's Blush. This color is gorgeous. Well, okay, but I'm not gonna go in that deep. I'm gonna just barely apply it. There we go, that's it. I'm going to buff it out just a little bit. Guys, I love the way my skin's looking. Okay, then I'm going to apply a little bit of the lip glow, the Dior lip glow. I think this is the mahogany color, if I'm not mistaken. Get this spread off. Okay, and now I'm just gonna add one more spray of this. Let's see. There we go, that's it. It's so good. Do I need any mascara? No, I think we're good. All right, guys, if you like this video, let me tell you, not bad. I really like it. I'm going to be using it this week, and yeah, I really like it. And what I also love is, you know, I complained about the size. It's really small, but this is really nice to have in your makeup bag. Doesn't take up a lot of space. It's under the carry-on limit of liquids. So yeah, I love how it went on. It absorbed really quickly into my skin, even on top of products I already had. So yeah. All right, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.